welcome to your second Ltspice tutorial. In this tutorial what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the circuit, and yeah, so basically what you do is you press this button right here for a new schematic, and there you go, there's your schematic. You can draw stuff on this. So you can draw like you press R for resistance, C for capacitance, L for inductance, D for diode, and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a circuit, we're gonna run it, and we're gonna see like what we get from out of it, right? So first let's say that we want to build a voltage divider, right? So what we do is we press R, we place by left click, there you go, then we have to place another resistance. So so what you can do is you can press Ctrl R to rotate like this, or you can like what do you call it, let's see, I don't know. Yeah, mirror, Control E. So you press Control E to, you know, do things like this. Control R to rotate, right? Click to place, right click. So we place ground by pressing G. There you go. Then what we do is we place the voltage source. So we go to components, type voltage, it was typed before, so you type voltage, there you go, voltage, you double click, you place, right? So what you can do is you can connect the wire like this. So you press F3 for the wire, and then click. What you there are a lot of ways of doing it. So what you can do is you can you know, click, right? Or you can do another thing, that is like click here, go through it, there, and there. As you can see, they're connected. So these are like one of the best things about Ltspice, that it lets you draw circuits really easily. So in this circuit, as you can see, the V1, this is the name of the voltage source, and V is the value of the voltage source. In the same way, R1 is the name of the resistance, and R is the value. So how you can change the value is you can right click either this, or you can do right click this, and you can change the value right here. So let's do 10, right? And let's change the value by clicking here for this one, and this one is 10 as well. So let's change the voltage value. Let's say it's 10 volts, and R1, let's name it load, right? Load. And then let's name R2, but you can call it, let's say rheostat, right? The things, you know, you turn and, you know, they change the value of resistance. Let's name it battery. Alright, so the thing now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the circuit and see what happens. So there you go, there's a guy running there. You press that and the circuit's gonna run. So there are a lot of things that you can do with the circuit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take transient, and let's take a stop time. Stop time will give you the amount of time that your graph can get. So if you give 5 seconds, the graph will be 5 seconds long. So let's do that. As you can see, the run is complete, and this clicking in this node will show you the voltage. So let's click. As you can see, this is 5 volts as expected, and this should be 10 volts. As you can see, this is 10 volts, 5 is the green one here, and 10 is the blue one here. So you can go to the component resistance to get the current flowing through it, like click here to get the current, like the red one is the current, you can see is the 500 milliamps. So this one's working too. Let's get this one too. Yeah, this one's the same, 500 milliamps. So as you can see, this can get a little bit cluttered. So what you can do is you can double click to get one value only. So double click 5 volts, double click 10 volts, double click 5 milliamps, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, this is your first tutorial on how to draw a circuit. Please do go ahead and make your own circuits, like complicated ones with one like 10 or 20 resistance, diodes and stuff. You can make them, and I'm going to show them how in next videos. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, wait for more videos. Have a nice day.